so we are on day 5. So now we are going to solve this next question, template literals, and here they are giving two values, s1 and s2, and they are the okay, find the initial values of s1 and s2 by plugging the area. Okay, so we want to find two values using this formula, one for addition, one for subtraction, and this p is the perimeter and a is the area of rectangle. Okay, and we want to return the sorted array of an array consisting s1 and s2. Okay, these two values we want to sort and return it. Okay, so here these are the two values, s1 and s2, and after simplifying we are getting the same things, and this is the explanation. Okay, so we will go to the code what they have written. Okay, so here in main function they have taken these two values using read line, s1 and s2. Okay, and then after they have sorted that using dot sort, means they created that into an array and they have sorted that array. And okay, this is the template literals. They are calling this sides function using these literals and expressions. Okay, these are all string literals, and these two are expression. This is the expression for the area, and this is the expression for the perimeter. Means in this expression they are finding the perimeter and area. Okay, and they are calling this function sides. Okay, this is the function sides. Okay, so here they are passing. Okay, now we will see what will it do. Console.log, we will just print literals. What we will get, we will see. Okay, literals. After that we will see expressions. Expressions means here, if when you see this. Okay, what happened here? टाइप एरर, इधर कुछ एडिट हुआ क्या? नो यार, there is no editing literals. Okay, so we will first of all check for expressions. होना चाहिए लिटरल्स भी, लिटरल्स प्रिंट करने के बाद लिटरल्स प्रिंट होने चाहिए. प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है? ओके ओके ओके, रिटर्न टाइप कुछ तो देना पड़ेगा अपन को. सो फॉर दैट मीन्स, बिकॉज जब ये कॉल कर रहे हैं तब ये रिटर्न टाइप में उन्होंने ये दो वेरिएबल्स रखे हैं जिसमें उन्हें नंबर सेव कर रहे हैं. तो रिटर्न में मैं क्या करता हूँ, दो वैल्यूज़ पास करता हूँ, 2, 3 एरे के फॉर्मेट में. अभी अपन को पता चलेगा, मीन्स एरर हट जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट आई थिंक वी विल गेट एक्सप्रेशंस. एक्सप्रेशन बोले तो वी विल गेट दिस the evaluation of these two expressions. Yeah, 140 and 48, because 10 and 40, first we are getting this area s1 star s2, that is 140 and that is 48. Means these expressions are the expressions that are coming from here, and if we print here literals, we will get the literals. Okay, so if you think I am getting both, just skip these things, directly go to the main code where we are doing. I just go through small steps with this debugging type. Okay, these are the literals and expression. The important concept here is that is template literal, how to form templates. Yeah, these are the literals, they are where we are printing. Okay, so that is the thing. Now what we have to do, that is the main thing. Now we are getting area and this perimeter. Okay, so I will take it down into two variables. Const area is equal to expressions of 0, because we are getting the area at 0th position of array. After that we are getting perimeter. Okay, peri is equal to, that is in expressions 1, at the one place of that array. Okay, so I will just format this. Okay, now what we have to do, that's the main thing. So these two are coming. Now we have to find these two values, s1 and s2, using this formula. Okay, so first of all we want to find this square root part. P square minus 16 plus a means square root of. Okay, so we will go to directly the things. Okay, so I will take that part. Const d is equal to mat dot sqrt square root. What square root? Square root of p square. P square means perimeter square minus 16 dot area. Okay, so for that perimeter square I want peri star peri. This is perimeter square, and now minus 16 star area. Okay, so 16 dot a tha na, yeah, that was 16 dot a. So here we just find out that 16, yeah, we just found out this part. Okay, this root part, root wala part हमने find कर लिया. Now we want to find these two values s1 and s2. So p plus and p minus. Okay, so here I will take another two variables. Okay, I will take the two variables s1 and s2. s1 is equal to uh, peri plus d. Okay, peri plus d डिवाइड बाय कुछ है क्या, डिवाइड बाय 4 चाहिए था ना अपन को. सो here I will take peri plus d divide by 4. Okay, and same thing const is equal to s2, sorry, const s2 is equal to peri minus d divide by 4. Okay, so I just got these two values. Now I want to return these two values, but कैसे return करना है. So I want to return these two values s1 and s2, sorting them. Okay, s1 comma s2. So I want to sort this array, and then I want to pass this array. Okay, so that's the part. Then these both will come, these both values will come into this const x and y. Okay, and here if s1 is equal to means identical, if s1 is identical means this s1 जो इनपुट में आया था वो वाला s1 और x आइडेंटिकल है, तो दे आर प्रिंटिंग s1, अदरवाइज दे विल प्रिंट -1. एंड जो रिटर्न वैल्यू आई है y s2 वाली, और ये जो हमारा इनपुट आया था उसका s2, अगर वो सेम होगा तो s2 प्रिंट होगा. ओके, सो वी विल रन द कोड. So that's the thing about template literals, and thank you.